Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 4. Let's see our today's topic. It is Chapter 10, Geography of Asia. Fill in the blanks and matching. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 10 and homework number 7 on our half yearly 2021. This half yearly 2021. Dear students, from chapter 10, the name is the Geography of Asia. At first, we shall start with fill in the blanks. So let's see and start our class. So look here, fill in the blanks. Only 6 fill in the blanks are given, A to F. So look at A number properly. About 60% of world's dash live in Asia. So from our book we have understood or we have learned that about 60% of world's population, it will be population, I am writing, follow me. So look, about 60% of world's population live in Asia, population. Now number B, the longest river in Asia is the dash lies in China. So from our chapter 10 we have learned the longest river in Asia is the Yangtze lies in China. So look at the spelling, Y-A-N-G-T-Z-E. So look, it is Y-A-N-G-T-Z-E, Yangtze. Y-A-N-G-T-Z-E, lies in China. Now number C, the hottest part is the dash in the center of Asia. The hottest part is the desert in the center of Asia. It is desert. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. The hottest part is the desert in the center of Asia. Now number D, Asia is the largest dash of rice and wheat in the world. Asia is the largest producer. Answer will be producer. P-R-O-D-U-C-E-R. Producer, okay. Look, Asia is the largest producer. P-R-O-D-U-C-E-R. Producer of rice and wheat in the world. Number E, the chief dash crops of Asia are jute, cotton, rubber and tea. The chief cash crops, it will be cash, C-A-S-H, cash. So I am telling again, the chief cash crops, C-A-S-H, cash crops of Asia, jute, cotton, rubber and tea. Last fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks number F. Asia is quite developed in industry. Answer is industry, okay. In industry. So we have learned here 6 fill in the blanks. Now we will go to matching. Matching. Match the words on the right with those on the left. Left to right, there will be matching like this one. So look at A number. So dear learners, look, you will write the matching like me in A, B, C, D, and right side it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So look, to the south of Asia, so from our book or from the world map we have learned, to the south of Asia it is Indian Ocean. So I am writing like this, you will follow me. A plus, to the south of Asia it is Indian Ocean, plus 3, okay. To the south of Asia, Indian Ocean. Okay, that means 1 represents 3. To the south of Asia it is Indian Ocean. Now B number. to the north of Asia. Okay, from the world map we have learned to the north of Asia it is Arctic Ocean. B plus 2 to the north. North of Asia it is Arctic. A-R-C-T-I is Arctic Ocean. O-C-E Arctic Ocean. Okay, that means to the north of Asia it is Arctic Ocean. Now number C. To the east of Asia. So look here, to the east of Asia it is Pacific Ocean. To the east of Asia it is Pacific Ocean. I am writing, that means C represents 4. East of Asia it is Pacific Ocean. P-A-C-I-F-I-C Pacific Ocean. O-C-E-N Pacific Ocean. Last. Okay, so look here, to the west of Asia it is Europe. To the west of Asia is Europe. I am writing, follow me, I am writing D number here. D represents 1. To the west of Asia it is Europe. E-U-R-O-P-E. Done. Okay, so dear learners, whenever you will do your matching, you will follow me. So look here, I have written at first the corresponding number. A represents 3. To the south of Asia 3 is Indian Ocean, and B represents 2. B, so look here, corresponding number B represents 2. To the north of Asia it is Arctic Ocean, and C number to the west of Asia. So look here, C represents D. To the east of Asia it is Pacific Ocean, and last one is D number. To the west of Asia it is Europe. To the west of Asia it is Europe. Dear learners, please, you will follow, you will write like me. At first corresponding number, then the words or sentence together. Nobody will write only the corresponding number. Okay, mind it, you will pick up, you will write like me. At first corresponding number, then the word or sentence like me. Dear learners, look, our last segment. This is our homework, and homework number 7, and your homework is matching. Chapter 10, matching. Only these 4 matching. Please pick up the sentence, and whenever you will do matching, you will follow my way. Dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic. It is chapter 10, fill in the blanks. Only 6 fill in the blanks, and matching only 4 matching. Dear students, keep practicing at home and do your homework properly and keep it in your mind. Please try to memorize all the CW which we follow on our YouTube class. Finally, see you again in our next class. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.